dey mouth like this, eh? What happen?
Shebi I first tell you say I want to join me.
Wetin you wan go do for army?
Abeg comot here to lodge this civilian.
They wan kill you o.
You don ready? Yes sir. Okay, we'll go to training ground now. May I see how you be? Ah, no wahala sir. Let's go. Now the training ground with this.
What? Full cash? Full cash? Full cash? I hear me to me, buy me.
Killer! Brother, now the training ground with this. You climb this thing. You need to land with your head.
What?
Before moving you down to the main road. Because that will teach you I need to crush you. Chase you. Won't know how fit you are for this military work. Continue with the training. I'll be back.
Yes, sir.
Oh, young man.
What?